Celebrate Halloween with me, Bamboina. Today we're going to draw pictures with shapes. So what am I going to make first? Z is for Zana. E is for Ellie. N is for Noah. That spells Zen. For Zen Learning. Thank you for coming to learn with us. Like and subscribe. To do this, you can do the paper or a dry erase board. We are using a dry erase board today. It has two sides, one with lines and one without. Today we're going to do it with the one without. And you need to dry erase marker. Then let me get out of my backpack. Look at your phone. This is in case if it's an emergency. Today we're going to draw Halloween pictures. I'm going to draw a jack-o'-lantern and a cat. If you're using paper, you use a pencil, marker, or crayon. To make these drawings, you need to know the shapes. So first, you need an oval. Oval. Then you need a square. Square. You need to know a circle. Circle. You need to know triangle. Triangle. You need to know a rectangle. Rectangle. Since I have shall erase, I'm going to erase these shapes now. Perfect. Okay, now you're doing a jack-o'-lantern. I first shape will be a circle. The first shape is the circle. Would be a pumpkin. Pumpkin. And then we need the stem. We will do a rectangle for the stem. We're gonna use triangles for the eyes. I'm gonna use another triangle for the nose. Triangle look like pizza. For the mouth, we're going to draw an oval. For the teeth, I'm going to use squares and triangles. That's a triangle. And that's a triangle. The bottom teeth, I'm going to make squares.
That's a perfect one.
That looks like a spooky teeth. Don't forget his eyeballs. We need stop. And a circle inside. This is a disco lamp. We use circles, triangles, ovals, rectangles, squares. Next we're going to do a black cat. Next Halloween picture is going to be a black cat. Our first shape is a circle for his head. So, now I'm going to do some triangles for the black cat's ears. Next, we're going to do circles for his eyes. For cat's nose, we do a cat triangle. For the mouth, triangle.
Good job.
Looks like a banana. Made a happy face. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's art. And art is never perfect. With the body, we'll draw a oval. Now for the legs, I'm going to use ovals also. For the arms, guess what shape we are using? You got it. Ovals. Now for the tail, I'm gonna use a narrow oval. And with the stripes. Okay. And I said the black cat, but I'm feeling a tick stick. And I'm thinking this cat needs stripes. Guys, by the way, some cats have stripes. No. Look at that. These shapes look like rectangles.
Okay.
I'm already almost done. I'm done. This is my black hat. Wow. We used triangles, circles, ovals, a half circle, rectangles, and a lot of imagination. Had been a lot of fun. Thanks for learning with me. Like and subscribe down below.